Two towns, A and B, are connected by a straight road 15 miles long. Going from A to B, the speed limit is 25 miles per hour for the first 5 miles, 40 miles per hour for the middle 5 miles, and 20 miles per hour for the last 5 miles. Two cars start at the same time, one at A and one at B, driving toward each other, each going exactly the speed limit in every portion. How far from town do the two cars meet? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here is the road from A to B, 15 miles long, split into 3 5-mile zones. 25 miles per hour near A, 40 in the middle, and 20 near B. One car starts at A, the other at B, and they drive toward each other. The car from A covers its first 5 miles at 25 miles per hour. That takes 5 divided by 25, which is 0.2 hours. So it reaches mile 5. The car from B covers its 5 miles at 20 miles per hour, taking 5 divided by 20, or 0.25 hours, reaching mile 10. Now look at the moment 0.25 hours in. The car from B has just reached mile 10. The car from A got to mile 5 at 0.2 hours. Then spent the next 0.05 hours in the 40 mile per hour zone, covering 2 more miles to reach mile 7. So the cars are 3 miles apart, and both are now in the middle 40 mile per hour zone. Since both cars now travel 40 miles per hour, they close the 3-mile gap at a combined 80 miles per hour. That takes 3 divided by 80 hours. And in that time each car travels 40 times 3 over 80, which is 1.5 miles. So they meet at mile 7 plus 1.5, which is mile 8.5. The two cars meet 8.5 miles from town A.